moksha. These are the four purusharthas, they say. What is it that every human being seeking in his life, sir? Four things: dharma, artha, kama, moksha. And very interesting construction that is. Factually speaking, in your life, you are seeking only two things. What is it that you are seeking, sir? You are seeking artha and kama. Artha means wealth. Kama means enjoyment. All that you are seeking in life is to acquire something and enjoy it. That's called artha kama. Artha kama means this. And beautifully they placed it. They said, your pursuit of artha kama should be happening within the boundaries of dharma moksha. You see, if that boundary is not kept, then it's a problem. It should be sandwiched between dharma and moksha, your pursuit of artha kama. The problem is the difference between a materialist and a spiritual person is only this: who keeps that maxima minimum balance within that frequency of dharma and moksha. Keep pursuing your artha kama. So it is not that Vedanta or this subject is against the pursuit of artha kama. It is not that they say, no, you should not pursue anything. Don't acquire any wealth. Don't acquire anything. Everybody live in the streets only. It's not like that, please. You see, you acquire, but it should have, it's exactly like classical singing and an amateur singing. A classical musician, when he sings a particular raga. The raga has got a frequency. He sings within that swara. In that he goes on and on and on and on and on. If he can do, how much he can go along defines his expertise in music. Now, when you sing, how is it? First, get the right direction and then pursue whatever you are pursuing. There is nothing wrong in the pursuit of things. It is the way you are pursuing. Remember, it is not what you do that matters. It is how you do it. Fix the parameters. Once the parameters were fixed appropriately, then it is easier for you to live your life the way you are supposed to be living, the way you can conduct yourself.